roasted chickpea and cauliflower salad. For this yummy baked salad, you'll need a whole cauliflower cut into wedges, leaving the leaves intact. Place on a baking tray with 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Sprinkle over 1/2 teaspoon each of turmeric and sweet paprika. Season well with salt and pepper and get your hands in there to toss until completely coated in spices. On a second tray, place a 400-gram can of drained chickpeas, 1 tablespoon of oil, and season with salt. Bake both trays for about 45 minutes at 160 fan force until well golden. While the veggies are roasting, combine 1 thinly sliced eschalot, 1/3 cup of sultanas or currants, and 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar in a bowl. Leave to pickle for 30 minutes. When everything is roasted, combine the shallots with cauliflower, chickpeas, and 2 cups of fresh herbs in a large bowl. Toss and serve on a large plate drizzled with extra oil. Enjoy and find other recipes like this at delicious.com.au.